The Advisor and Spokesperson of the Federation of Khasi States, John F. Kharshiing, had informed through media persons on the submission of the proposed draft amendment of the provisions laid down in the Mylliem Syiemship Act 2007, wherein the delegation had met with the executive member of the KHADC in charge of Elaka, Jambor War, on the 25th of January 2023 in Shillong. While addressing a press conference, John Kharshiing informed that as per the draft amendment suggested and submitted by the Federation, provisions should be made as to the powers and functions of traditional heads through an amendment by removing the word appointment and replace the same with the word confirmation, as traditional heads are selected to their positions. Kharshiing also informed on suggestions made as to the powers and functions of the Syiem of Hima Mylliem that are to be amended as per draft proposal to the Mylliem Syiemship Act 2007 submitted by the Federation to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council.
We went and presented to follow up on our many petitions to the District Council for amendment, the urgent amendment of the Mylliem Syiemship Act 2007 to ensure that there is to make it Hima Mylliem, to bring some transparency and to bring proper improved governance in the administration of Hima Mylliem. And so in view of the comments, there were suggestions from the District Council also earlier, whether you have any specific provision to be amended. And we have submitted and prepared this elaborate document. We have prepared this document like we normally do in many professional organizations, where we have mentioned these are the existing provisions, these are the proposed draft amendments against every section. So primarily, and we have given some remarks, to shorten to highlight the points. We have given it in red marking here. So one main point is to amend the word appointment and replace it with confirmation, because the Syiem, the Mantri, the Lindor, the Basan, and so many other functionaries of the Hima are elected, nominated, but they are not appointed by the District Council. So the very word appointment has far-reaching consequences. They have had adverse comments because of the use of the word appointment. There has been many adverse comments even in the judiciary on the status of our traditional institutions. Here in the existing Act of Hima Mylliem, there is no provision to requisition the Darbar Hima if the Syiem and Darbar do not convene the Darbar Hima. I know of instances presently where previous executive committees have directed the Syiem of Mylliem to convene the Darbar Hima, and he has refused to convene the Darbar Hima. I'm not saying presently, they were in the past. So there has to be provisions like this. We have also said that there should be a provision where failing to convene the Darbar Hima, the District Council should suo motu convene the Darbar Hima on 31st December. Because we've already stated here that on Monday, the first Monday of the first week of November, there should be the Darbar Hima. Failing to convene the Darbar Hima, the executive committee, instead of writing love letters up and down, show cause notice, and leaving this acting Syiem for months and years together, there should be a provision here